Hello, today we're going to do a math lesson and we're going to be working with percentages in a pie chart. So I know that we have worked with pie charts before, but something that might be new to some of us is percentages. So we're going to review what percent means. So percent or percentage is a fraction shown as a number out of 100. And when we see this sign, we know that it is a percent. See if you can touch or say the word percent. Okay, so if I have 100 Skittles and I eat 20 of them, that is 20% of the Skittles. Okay, so 20 out of 100 is our fraction. 20 out of 100 is equal to 20%. Can you touch or say 20%? Okay, another example. If there are 100 new movies and you watch 40 of them, that means you have watched 40% of new movies. So 40 out of 100 is 40%. Can you touch or say 40%? Okay, so here is our pie chart. The title of our pie chart is Food Sales at the Concession Stand. Okay, so it's showing us which foods are bought the most and which foods are bought the least. So we have corn dogs. Corn dogs are shown by this yellow pie slice, which is pretty big. 21% of food sales are corn dogs. We have cotton candy, represented by this blue slice. 16% of sales are cotton candy. Funnel cakes are shown by this green slice. What percent of sales are funnel cakes? 13%. Okay, we have chicken strips. Chicken strips is shown in this purple slice of our pie chart. It's showing us that 9% of sales are chicken strips. Hamburgers. Hamburgers are shown in the orange slice, and they are 7% of sales. Soft pretzels is this light blue slice. Soft pretzels are 4% of sales. Then we have popcorn, which is this brown slice. Popcorn is 3% of sales. Candy apples, the pink slice, are 2% of sales, very small percent. And this big slice, our biggest slice of all, is showing pizza. Pizza is 25% of sales, the biggest percent. Okay, so we're going to answer some questions about our pie chart, about percentages. So our first question, what percent of food sold was cotton candy? So see if you can find cotton candy on the pie chart and touch it. Cotton candy is right here. What percent of food sold was cotton candy? So look at the percent. Is that 40%, 25%, or 16%? Touch or say your answer. 16%. So 16% of food sales was cotton candy. Okay, our next question. Was there a higher percentage of corn dogs or soft pretzels sold? So see if you can find corn dogs and touch it. And see if you can find soft pretzels. So here's corn dogs. Corn dogs is 21%. Soft pretzels is 4%. So which number is higher, 4 or 21? %, is higher, so there was a higher percentage of corn dogs sold. Next question, what percent of food sold is popcorn? So I want you to find popcorn on the pie chart and touch it. What percent of food sold was popcorn? Popcorn is right here. Is it 75%, 3%, or 15%? Touch or say your answer. Okay, we can see here, popcorn is 3% of sales. 3%. Okay, our next question, what food do people buy the most? So the most means it is our biggest number. So you can look for the biggest slice of the pie chart, or you can look for the highest percentage. Is it funnel cakes, which is right here? Candy apples, which is right here in this pink space? Or pizza, right here, this red slice? What food do people buy the most? Pizza is bought the most. We have the biggest slice of our pie chart is pizza, and it is 25%. It's our biggest percent on this pie chart. Okay, our last question. What food do people buy the least? So remember, least means smallest. So we can look for our smallest number or our smallest slice of pie. Would that be chicken strips, which is right here, this purple slice, 9%? Would it be candy apple, this small pink slice, 2%? Or would it be corn dogs, this yellow slice, 21%? What food do people buy the least, the smallest amount? People buy candy apples the least. They are only 2% of sales. That means out of every 100 food items sold, only 2 are candy apples. Okay, good job, everyone.